another video. So yes, today I'm going to be making my queen lip gloss, my gold lip gloss. So first, I'm just going to start off with our Versagel. So yes, we want to start off with our Versagel. Then we're just going to add coconut oil, castor oil, and almond oil. Okay, period poop. So yes. So yes, there we go. That's the consistency we need. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of strawberry flavoring. That's the texture we're looking for, honey. The consistency right there. So yes, now we're gonna go ahead and add the gold. Whew. So yes, that's what it's looking like. Okay, so now we're going to take a brand new syringe. I don't know why I like that pop. And we're just going to fill her up. This is the hardest part. It's either going to go in or it's not. It's either going to go in or it's not, honey. Okay. So now you have to cut your pipette. Oh, I already cut my pipette. Good. Thicken the head, honey. So then you want to just go ahead and take that off. You're going to hurry up and push that on so it can catch it. Okay. Then you just going to go ahead and add this in. And then you're going to push down until this start coming up the tip. So yes, then we're just going to go in and start chilling. But you have to leave a little bit of space. Leave a little bit of space for the tube. Yeah. Then you're just going to add your stopper. Just wipe the excess from around. with a tissue. Then you're just gonna go for it again, honey. There you go. 10 years later, there you go. So yes, this is the Queen lip gloss in period poop. What's going on? Gotta put your gloves on, girl. Sanitary by any means necessary. Okay, so yes, Pink Strawberries is done. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Cut it at the bottom, then at the top, boom. So I just go ahead and attach it. Then we gotta put this in. So it's gonna start dripping. So make sure you put it back over your bowl as you put this in. And there you go, honey. Period poop. So yes, it smells good, right? So yes, there you go. Pink Strawberries, honey. Pink Strawberries. Yes. Period. So yes, girl, you gonna have some mishaps, you gonna have some stuff happen, but you're gonna get it done. Okay? Okay. Bye, y'all. So yes, next we just gonna take a baby wipe and just wipe them off. I like baby wipes because they not like as strong as Lysol wipes, but they get everything off. So yeah, just gonna wipe all the excess off, and then boom, they're done.